Good day, I'm Engineer Arnie Alejandro, Product Support Manager for Tri-Globe Transport Services and Trading Inc. Right now, we'll tackle about AMAN ASC 150 at 15 tons weight class of single gram rollers. So we'll discuss about the recent issues we tackled in one of our customers. So let's go. Recently, naka-receive kami ng tawag from one of our customers saying merong fault code. So, at this case, makikita natin doon sa monitor. Makikita natin meron siyang orange warning doon sa monitor niya. Orange light dito. So, sabihin, hindi naman ganun ka-critical. Yung issues, once na naging red, yung ilaw, that will be a very critical. So, hindi na pwede i-operate. So, at this case, meron siyang error na SPN 1347 FMI3. So, meaning, tingnan natin yung error, kung anong epekto nung error. So, nag-start siya pero meron siyang warning. So, eventually, isa sa mga pwedeng maging effect nito is yung engine low power. So, normally, pag may ganitong fault code, may engine low power. And so, we have SPN 157 FMI0. So, check natin. So, dito, check natin kung may loose connection do sa mga wires. Since yung fault code natin is pointing towards the electrical na may above or below normal voltage. Dahil sa low power, we need to check kung sensor na ito, sa actuator sensor, may loose connection. So, i-press lang namin kung okay na. And check namin if okay pa rin kung existing pa rin yung error code. So, itong sensor na to, yan, dito nakapesto yung sensor na to. Dito on the right side ng engine. Okay, so dito makikita. So, ngayon, check natin kung existing pa rin yung fault code. On lang natin. Tutingin tayo dito sa may monitor. As you can see, wala na siya orange light or yellow light, tsaka yung red light. Wala na tayo yung fault code. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. No!